Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to send blue bubble messages, share photos and videos in full quality, use reactions and message over Wi-Fi or data, iMessage must be turned on. In iPhone settings 2026, iMessage is fast, secure and syncs across all your Apple devices. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on iMessage on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, go to settings. So this is where all messaging options are managed. So now scroll down and tap messages. Okay, so if you didn't find it here, you have to write it, type it on the search bar. This section controls SMS, MMS and iMessage. So at the top, toggle turn on iMessage. So at the top, toggle iMessage to on. Your iPhone will start activating iMessage. Okay, so here is the option. Okay, so wait for iMessage activation. So activation may take a few seconds, so you might see waiting for activation, automatic verification via Apple ID or phone number. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Date and time are set automatically. Okay, so choose how you can be reached, like tap send and receive. Select your phone number, your Apple ID, email, and choose what people can use to reach you via iMessage. Okay, so if you use dual SIM, go to send receive. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.